Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be using Stackable's wireframes to create an FAQ page. This is a series of videos on using Stackable's wireframes to create pages and sections. To get started, let's make a brand new blank page and look at this wireframe on its own. There's a couple ways to do that. You can either log into your site and go anywhere, and you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, head over to your left-hand sidebar, hover down to Pages and click on Add New Page. Let's give our page a title to keep things organized. Okay, and let's add the FAQ wireframes. So let's click on the block inserter here, this blue button in the top left corner. Let's scroll down a bit until we find Stackable Design Library. Let's drag and drop that into our workspace. We can close the block inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with, and let's click on Open Design Library. What's nice about the design library is that the wireframes are all in one area, and they're grouped according to your use case. So let's go ahead and let's choose one of these. And this one seems interesting. Let's choose this layout right here. And we have all of our questions and answers. Now, as you can see, we can toggle them on and off because these are all accordion blocks. So let's start customizing it. All you have to do is just click on the areas that you want to customize, and they'll be there for you. So for those who don't and because it's just an ordinary subtitle block, we can go ahead and change the typography however which way we want. Free and then we can change this to whatever font we want within our library. We can make it bigger, smaller. Okay, and then we can put our answers over here. So let's say paragraph. Okay, so I've fleshed out our text over here, and again we can change these by clicking on typography, but I'm happy with how they are as default. Okay, if we wanted to duplicate these, let's say we had this accordion here, we can click on duplicate and we'll get another one right here, and I'll make another one. All right, no, and I'll place it in this column underneath this one. Oops. Uh-oh. There we go. And then we'll put it down under here. And that's an easy way of making or lessening the amount of frequently asked questions we have here. So question 1, we can change these headings according to the tags. So let's go ahead and customize each one of these to put different colors in them and make it just a bit more interesting to look at. So question 1 over here, let's change the text color to one of these primary colors. Actually, I think that's a secondary color. Right. One of these default colors that we have on here. And it might not necessarily be the most readable, but it is a very legible regardless, because this is just an example. Okay. 7, and then 8. And then if we wanted to customize the containers for these, we can go ahead and click on Style, or that is the accordion itself. Click on here. We can click on the background, and then we can change the background color to be contrasting. And again, I'll just do these for all of them, just because it's just probably boring for you. Okay, and here we have all of our questions customized with their appearance and their contents. If we went up over here to our inner column, we can add a background to the whole thing, and it looks just a bit more interesting. And then we can add border radius to this, and it looks like a proper bunch of a proper section of frequently asked questions. So there isn't much to edit here. It's just a bunch of text and a bunch of accordion blocks just put together for us to easily make this kind of element. So let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our changes, and let's take a look at it on our live site. All right, with that done saving, let's click on Live Page, and here we can find our stackable wireframes FAQs. Okay, some of these are a little illegible because of how they look like. If we wanted to open some of these or close some of these by default, we'll have to go here to our accordion, and then our settings here, open at the start, and we will have this closed at the start. And let's go ahead and reload our site and see how it looks like just real quick. Okay, let's reload it. And there it is closed compared to our other questions that are open by default. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.